So as Willie serenades us here, this guy here, we would have never been introduced to Willie if it wasn't for this man. He loves Willie Nelson, you know. So you should see him with the bandana on too. He's pretty good, Willie Nelson. So we continue to be on the Motor Vessel Klasact on the 11th of August, and now we're kind of in the bowels of Desolation Sound. So I'll show you some more. You can see the mountains, and you know exactly the rugged terrain. It's an absolutely beautiful day up here. We're heading north, and tonight we're going to stay at a place called Roscoe Bay. You can only get into Roscoe Bay at a higher tide, because the water levels go down so extreme that there's not enough depth to get through the little very narrow passage. So we're actually going quite slowly now just to kill a little bit of time. We need to kill about an hour to get in to the little passage. So I'll just bring you around again, and maybe you can see my passengers inside there. I'll try to zoom in a bit. I don't know whether you can see Vernon there. He's kind of sitting in there still reading his paper. You can do that. Anna's at the back, and Kathy's at the back, and they're all enjoying. And that's what it looks like from on the deck here. Okay, so we're I think the 12th of August today or something like that, and we're We're now in Roscoe Bay. Desolation Sound. We're in a little dinghy coming towards the Klasact over there. And of course there's Annie. Hi Annie. How are you? She's left her voice box at home.
A voice box? Yeah. You want to hear me scream?
Yeah. Catherine Judith.
Hi.
And then of course, how you doing? Hi, how are you? Wave to the camera. There we go. And we're just on our way through. No, they left. Roscoe Bay, a beautiful spot. What? Alright, so today we're at Prudhoe Haven. And we're back on the dinghy with our favorite high-paying passengers. Kathy and Ann, they make dinner, and Vern, he is from Hawaii. So he dances for us and does the gigolo. Oh, and he pulls my hair. Anyway, here we are, Prudhoe Haven. What did I say the date was today? The 15th? It's a beautiful, beautiful place. I'm going to be spending 2 nights here. The boat's there and anchor. That's the rocks. We are back in that area there. Another beautiful day here in Desolation Sound, 2011. Klasact. I don't know where. They may be August the 16th, 17th, maybe, something like that. I'm on the flying bridge here off Klasact and just enjoying the last bits and pieces of the scenery. How are you doing, hon? Pretty good time?
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
You're a great captain.
Enjoyed your week?
Yes.
This lady is gloating a little bit because she not only beat Bryn and I, or shall I say, Ann and her only beat Bryn and I, but they whumped us. Hey, Ann? What can one say?
Winner.
She's just a winner. Yeah. So I'm looking up into the south here, and you'll hear a little wind. Although it's a very nice morning. That's kind of facing almost straight south, not quite, about 210 degrees or so. Now Washington, up in the backdrop there somewhere. I can't tell you exactly which one it is, but this will be, I guess this will be Cortez Island coming up here, I think. And the captain, well, the captain sits there, but I'm watching. Or sometimes he sits down there. And that's what the passengers are doing down there. A few of them have been holding hands and they're on the computer and checking it out.